Today we're going to test a 3-stage water filtration system. This is portable and it has 3 separate filters. Also, we are going to do a water test on it, and we're going to test for free chlorine, iron, magnesium, total chlorine, copper, lead, zinc, mercury, fluoride, aluminum, sodium chloride, hydrogen sulfate, and total alkalinity, not to mention the pH and the carbonate. Okay, for the first filter, this is their flavor unit. This is what they call it. It has granular activated carbon and is made from coconut as well. This is going to improve the taste of the water. Next one is going to be the longevity filter here, extended filter life, and it also removes sediment. Next one is going to be the safety filter, and it is down to 0.2 microns. This is effectively going to remove all the impurities and pollutants. Okay, so here's everything that is going to come with the filtration system. Of course, you have your filter, right? And then you come with the owner's manual here, just a few pages. And as far as accessories and whatnot, we're going to have a disconnect, a quick disconnect here, and another adapter on each end. I'm going to show you exactly what these do so it makes more sense. And when it comes time to replace the filters, a removal tool, and of course some, I forget what you call these, plumber's tape, I think, for the fittings. If you get a leak, make sure it's nice and snug. That's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and connect the hoses here and fill up my box truck with water, and let's see how it tastes. Okay, so first up, we're gonna get our garden hose, the inlet, and attach this quick connect here. Push in this sleeve, and the quick connect should slide right in just like that, not an issue. We're gonna turn it around, and this is gonna be our outlet port. And so we're just gonna use our other provided quick connect here and pull back this sleeve, slide it in. There you go. And then we have our outlet hose that's gonna connect right to this fitting. Okay, now we're gonna do this in real time to see how fast it's gonna go through this filter and out the other end. Look at this. Woo! So it's already being filtered. Wow, that's pretty good pressure right there. Let's see, let's check for any leakage. So far, bone, dry. Well, a little bit of water, but it's like 1 drop, not too bad. Maybe if I straighten it out. All right, so let me go turn it off and connect it directly to my RV. Okay, let's let it rip and see how it goes. The water flow here is actually really fast, so that's good. You're not gonna have to wait very long to get some drinking water. Okay, we are just about full. Let's go ahead and go inside and taste the water. Let's test out our drinking water now. Now my entire RV is just gonna have good tasting drinking water, even for cleaning and stuff. Why not? Okay, let's go ahead and fill this bad boy up. I am so parched today. It's 81 degrees right now and filming all day in the sun. I am dried out like a lizard lot. Okay, so this is supposedly the nice drinking, tasting water. I can't wait to sip this. Now let's just grab some from out of the tap and do a comparison and do a water test and a taste test. Getting some city Boulder water here, straight out of that hot garden hose tap. On the right side here, we have the 3-stage water filtered, and this one is just gonna be the city Boulder County municipal water. Let's go ahead and test them both here. And dip them in 1, 2 seconds. Hold them up horizontally. Okay, it's been about 15 seconds. Let's go ahead and test the regular water here. So this is the Boulder water. Pretty good, known to be very soft water. The city municipal water is actually very safe to drink, but the total chloride here is pretty high. I'd say it's at a 10. Let's check after the filtration, see if there's anything different. Let me try and get out of the sun here. Okay, here we go, much better. So still soft water after it's been filtered. Yeah, close to 0 on everything. Chlorine is still a 10 or more. Didn't remove too much chlorine. Let's see, about a 1/2 or 1 on copper. Now we're not seeing that big of a difference between the city water and the filtered water, only because here, to be fair, in Boulder, the water quality is actually very good. Many citizens here just drink straight from the tap, just like I've been for many, many years now. Okay, so the city water does not taste good. Of course, this is subjective, but This pretty much tastes like a, you know, hot garden hose water you used to drink out of when you were a kid, when you were playing on a hot day. Now for the filtered water. Oh, I'm so thirsty. Okay. Yeah, taste test is guaranteed for sure. This taste is way better. You don't get some of that heavy, you know, that lead taste to it. Okay, I wanted to get you guys over to the website right quick. This one is called the Glacier Fresh Replacement for Technology RV Water Filtration System. 0.2 micron camper water filter with compact 5-inch filter. 3-stage premium RV water system for RV campers and boats. Okay, the titles are always so long. Let's see if we can get into some stats here. Here's the measurements if you want to check that out. Charcoal, coconut shell, carbon fiber to improve taste, and sediment filter to extend filter life, and smaller micron size means greater filtration. Okay, designed for RVs, the water filter replacement for RVs. RV owners love the stainless steel garden hose quick connects, allows you to thread into city water and well water at any campground. Disconnect quickly and easily for safe drinking water. Great for RVs, boats to meet your needs. Here we go, mobile water filter. The Glacier Fresh replacement for RV water system is ideal for water filter for RV campers, travel trailers, camper vans, boating, and more. The produces 3 to 4 months of cleaner source of water with the sediment pre-filter. Now that time doesn't really mean anything. Like, it depends on how many gallons you're using, right? So it's hard to actually say like how long this lasts and whatnot, but this is the picture. Coconut shell right here with carbon inside, the high flow filter and the sediment filter for longevity. Improves taste and smell, reduces sediment and contamination, protects against heavy metals and viruses, protects against bacteria and cysts, and a whole bunch of reviews here. This one's 29 people found this helpful. Let's read it real quick. Like any homeowner, full-time RVers need safe, clean, and good tasting water. We've been full-timing in the last 4 years, and as such, we have tried several different filtration systems with both single and multiple filter setups. Now you can spend a few dollars, or in this case of the Nuvo H2O system, more than $1,000. While the Glacier Fresh 3-filter system is not among the cheapest of its kind, replacement filters are much more affordable than the other 3 options. I installed the Glacier Fresh 7 months ago, and running it to the original filters consistently clean and tasting fresh tasting water. You can say without reservation this system has provided the best tasting water of all the units I've tried over the last 4 years. Okay, that's cool. Some good reviews here, probably some bad, talking about leaking and stuff, but you know, overall we got a 4.3 stars with 157 reviews, and it is the Amazon choice. So that's great. Yeah, a bunch more reviews. Let's see some of these photos. Okay, see how some other people are using it. Yeah, just like I am, hose to hose. In between is the filter. That's cool, just like that underneath the RV. Now, out of curiosity, let's see how much the filters actually cost, the replacement ones, right? After, I don't know how many gallons. Oh, here we go. Yeah, look at that. So 3 of them, you get all 3 for $45. That is actually not bad. And again, let's see if they'll even put how many gallons you can use out of it. They don't normally say that. They just say 3 to 4 months of cleaner source of water, but it depends on how much you use it, obviously. But it's nice to know that these filters aren't that expensive, right? $45. It'll last you quite a while. It's a 3-pack, comes with all 3, the carbon, the coconut shell, the sediment filter, and the micron high capacity filter to 0.2 microns. Alright, so there you go, guys. That's the listing. I just wanted to show you that really quick. Let's get back to the review. So shout out to Glacier Fresh for sending this over to me for review, though my opinions are my own. Now, this is not going to add any stress to your life. It's very easy. Quick connect. Anybody can do it. If you're a senior citizen or a little kid that happens to live off grid or in an RV or anywhere, you might live in a box truck like I do and do van life, and you need some good tasting, safe water to drink. Doesn't take up too much space, is not heavy at all, and it will again, not add any stress to your life. Only it will provide a solution for you for good tasting water. Now keep it locked on the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already to keep up with all van life adventures, product reviews, and funny van life stories. Shout out to the notification squad. I see you in the comment section early. And until next time, peace.